Most beginners don't quit learning tech because they're lazy or unintelligent. They quit because of something nobody really talks about. And it usually happens after the first excitement fades. At first, learning tech feels exciting. There's curiosity everywhere. You watch tutorials, install tools, and feel like you're finally moving forward. Like you're getting closer to something meaningful. Then along the way, things stop making sense. What once felt clear begins to feel overwhelming. Reality turns confusing. And everything suddenly feels out of control. And this happens because of one thing: lack of direction. That is the real reason most beginners quit learning tech. Not difficulty. Not tech complexity. Beginners are thrown into endless tutorials, tools, opinions, and advice. One person says start here. Another says start there. Soon, everything feels important. And nothing feels clear. Most beginners don't really learn. They copy. The steps work today. But when something breaks tomorrow, confidence breaks with it. And that moment is where many people give up. Social media makes tech look fast. It makes learning look smooth. But real learning is slow. It's messy. And it's confusing. So when progress doesn't match expectations, beginners assume they're failing. Many beginners also learn alone. They don't see others struggling. They don't see the confusion behind the scenes. So they start believing they are the problem, instead of realizing the process itself is difficult. If you're stuck learning tech right now, this is not a sign to quit. It's a sign that you're exactly where real learning begins. The solution isn't more tutorials. It's clarity, patience, and learning to understand, not rush. Most people quit tech too early. Not because they can't learn, but because no one prepared them for the confusion phase. So if you're learning tech and feel lost, you're not alone. And you're not behind.